Hi, fifth grade. I hope you guys are doing well. Um, Today we're going to work on writing expressions. So today you're going to have this sheet right here. It says directions, write each as a numerical expression, sorry. So I'm going to do an example of the first one from each of them to show you. Today you're not doing any math. You're only writing, it says. So you are going to write me what this would be. So we're putting this into this kind of form. So remember, parentheses are done first. So we did parentheses, exponent, multiply, divide, add, and subtract. So your parentheses are what are put together. So that is what's done first. So right here it says add 3 and 7. So first, parenthesis, I need to put 3, add means plus 7. So I did this first sentence here, and then it's telling me I need to multiply by 3. Multiply by 3. That is all you have to do today. It does not say solve anywhere. So this is all I want for the answers on these first 1, 2, 3, 4 problems. Does that make sense? I hope so. Then you have these ones. We're going backwards. So now they put it in a form that we made last time, and they want us to put it into words. So the first thing, because parentheses say that's what you do first, we have to write this out. I'm going to try a text box. I haven't done that yet on here. So the first thing I have to do is add 16 plus 24, comma, then multiply by 3. I could write that out too to match. Go away. So this is all I have to do right here. I turned it into different forms. Now, there are some words that we need to remember. So, let me zoom in on this. You should know what add means, and you should know what multiply means. Subtract, you should know. Now, product, that's a word we worked on. Product is the answer to a multiplication problem. So that means you are timesing. I don't think there's going to be any other words you don't know. So this, again, is all you are doing today. You are only writing. You are not doing any math. Easy day. I did not solve any of these. I just wrote the expressions out. So parentheses are always first. That is what you do first. I hope you get some time outside today. I hope it says it might rain, so I hope it doesn't rain. I hope you guys are enjoying your time at home and staying safe and staying healthy. I miss you guys, and hopefully I'll see some of you soon, or hopefully I hear from you somehow, either on Google Classroom or on this, but I hope you guys are all doing well. And go celebrate Cinco de Mayo. You know that's one of my favorite holidays. I'm going to make some tacos tonight and some queso and pretend that I'm at a Mexican restaurant. Have a good day.